Hi everyone, I'm Sonica and you're watching Styled by Sonica, the channel that talks about all things fashion, style, and beauty related. If this is your first time to my channel, well, bienvenido, hola, and welcome. I will be taking you backstage to New York Fashion Week, to interviewing fashion designers and beauty specialists, and all things fashion related, and I will be keeping you up to trend on the latest fashion and style tips. So, without further ado, let's talk about today's video, which is how to look instantly thinner with some tips and tricks. So, I am absolutely not promoting to be thin or, to be skinny, because that's not the case at all. In fact, I love this era that we live in, because if you go on social media, for instance, it's all about loving who you are and appreciating those curves. So I'm not promoting to be skinny. However, from the thin girls to the plus size model girls, they all have their moments. And sometimes as women, we're not feeling our best and we might think we look a little heavier than what we are. So you don't have to go to the gym. You don't have to work out. All you have to do is go into your closet, which I'm sure you're going to have the majority of these tips. Now, if you like what you see, please give it a thumbs up, share my video, and subscribe. All right, so our first tip, dark denim jeans. That's right, dark denim jeans will make you instantly look thinner. So here I'm giving you an example of dark denim aside to a light denim wash. So as you can see, the dark denim makes me look thinner. And I didn't do anything, but just the change of the color of my jeans. So dark denim is definitely, if you're gonna wear jeans and you're like feeling a little like, I need to look a little thinner, go with dark denim. All right, another easy trick, high-waisted pants. So how do you know high-waisted versus low-waisted? Well, the majority of stores today will, they'll say these are the low rise, these are the high rise, mom jeans, boyfriend jeans, that kind of thing. Typically, I would say it's about 9 inches or more of a waist. Anything that's gonna go up high, probably kind of like of a mom jean, mom jeans are considered high, something that will cover or go as close to your belly button. So now, high-waisted jeans kind of automatically cinch your waist, give that illusion versus a low-rise. So now as you can see, I'm wearing a low-rise jean and a high-rise jean. And with the high-rise jean, you can see how, boom, I look automatically thinner. Whereas the low-rise jean, well, I have a little like rolls right here. And so, I have to be strategic on how I wear my shirt so that I don't give that illusion that I'm a little heavier than what I really am. Because sometimes, believe it or not, whether you're feeling thinner, you want to feel, you're feeling heavy and you want to look thinner. Sometimes just the way we wear our clothes makes us look heavier when we really are not that heavy. Okay, so another style tip, a V-neck. That's right. Now I'm wearing a button-down shirt, but as you can see, I have it open. So what does a V-neck do? A V-neck elongates you, okay? As you can see, it's making me, I'm only like 5'4". Now I may look a little taller because I am wearing heels right now, but what a V-neck does, it opens it up and it gives the illusion that you are taller. Now, if you're wearing anything that is like a crew neck, for instance, that is going to give you, it's not going to make you look as thin as you would want to. And especially if you're a little bustier, that will also make you look and feel a little heavier than what you really are. So even if you are thin, again, this is not about losing weight. It's more about feeling good in your clothes, because as a stylist, as a personal stylist, when I work with my clients, The big thing for a lot of them is they want to look good and they want to feel good. And ultimately, that builds self esteem and confidence. And it's, that's something that some people can struggle with. And something as simple as what you wear can absolutely change and put that bright, smiley face on you. Another style tip are wide leg jeans. Well, as you know, wide leg jeans are super popular right now. I mean, listen, they go in and out of style. I mean, you can wear anything whenever you want. I talk about that all the time. Do not be, subject to what the trends are, because you don't need to do that. You wear what looks good on you. But now it is the trend. So flare jeans, wide leg bottom jeans they're gonna, again, elongate you. You wear it with a heel, and voila, you will look a lot taller than what you already are, giving the illusion that you are thinner. Okay, another tip, wear heels. I know there's some of you who are just, you don't like to wear a high heel. I understand that it's not for everybody, but if you are, maybe you can wear some type of wedge. A heel will definitely elongate you and give you a thinner profile. Another key with your shoes are pointy shoes. Yeah. So if you wear like a rounded shoe versus a pointy shoe, whether it's a flat or a heel, the pointiness again elongates you, gives the illusion that you are tall and thin. So if you're already tall, you're going to be like even taller. And if you're not that tall, well, it's going to give people like myself the illusion that we are taller. So pointy shoes are definitely a must. Another style tip, avoid prints. Now, listen, I am Latina. I love colors. I love prints. However, depending upon what kind of print and what part of your body you're wearing it can give off that maybe you're a little heavier than what you really are. So if you're wearing something that has a print, for instance, like I'm wearing the skirt now, it has these big floral prints, which is super in, all right? Now, look at me now versus wearing a pencil skirt, which is like tighter and more form-fitting, and it's solid in one color. So that's an example of how, are you seeing the one skirt? I don't look as heavy as I do wearing the floral skirt. Haven't gone to the gym, haven't lost any weight. So there you go. So you may want to avoid prints if you are thinking about wanting to look a little thinner. Another key to look thinner is wearing from head to toe, wear one color. Now, listen, I talked about how the color black, which is the number one color to make you look thinner. It's not necessarily the number one color, but because everybody has it, it seems to be the number one color. But dark colors are definitely what, give the illusion of appearing thinner. There can be a little like double-edged sword there, depending upon as women, as we get older, darker colors can seem to make us look withdrawn, especially black, and ages more. However, wearing white all, from head to toe, beige, burgundy, charcoal gray, those are colors, now that it's fall and the winter eventually will be coming, you want to wear, solid colors will definitely make you look thinner. Another style tip, wearing a necklace. Wearing a necklace will also give the look and feel that you are thinner and elongate your face. So and it's how you strategically place it. Now, for instance, I love statement earrings. However, if you're not feeling that great, and depending upon what kind of shirt you wear, you put on those statement earrings, it's going to give you look a little like heavier from the top up. Whereas you wear a nice long necklace, you are going to look immediately thinner. And another style tip is wearing vertical lines. Yes, so you don't want to wear horizontal because that will make you look wider. what you want to do is wear vertical lines. Pinstripes are great. I love, there's a lot of jeans, pants with the stripe down the side. Those also give the look of you being lengthy and thinner. And also dresses. There are dresses that have like kind of like a blocking on the side. Again, vertical lines will make you look thinner as opposed to wearing horizontal lines. Now, another style tip that will add to you appearing to look thinner is adding a belt, because a belt will cinch your waist. For instance, as you can see, I'm wearing a dress. It's very flowy. I love this look. Don't get me wrong. I love exactly how I look. However, if I add a belt to this dress, voila, I have cinched my waist and now I appear to be thinner than what I actually am. So just adding a belt to something that you already own with a dress, for instance, or a skirt can enhance, make your waist look thinner. Some other tips and tricks to think and to have in mind is, for instance, having a tan. I know now summer, depending upon where you live, where I live, summer has ended and we're into fall, and having a tan does give you that refreshed look and that glowy dew, and it does make the appearance that you are thinner. So now I'm not telling you to go to a tanning salon, because I do not believe in those UV rays. However, spray tans are great, or even applying like a hand type of lotion cream. I will do that from time to time just to give myself some color. Contouring is great in the makeup, okay? Contouring will also give the illusion of a tan and give you a refined and thinner look. You can't go wrong with having shapewear. Shapewear is huge. Now, we hear more and more about it, and we can thank, because of the Kardashians. You know, Kim, she came out with her line, I believe it's called Skins, and I'm not sure exactly how effective they are, because every model that shows them look pretty thin. But you know, thin girls also have cellulite. They want to like smooth, you know, those little bumps out, especially since they like to wear tight clothing. But shapewear, that's like a no-brainer. I mean, you could even double up, okay, if you needed to really give you that control top, and you'll look 10 pounds lighter, and voila, you know. So I'm a big proponent of shapewear. There's nothing wrong with wearing it, and it will make your clothing look so seamless and like no little bumps to show. So there you have it, some little tips on what to do, what to wear, how to look skinnier, okay? If you like everything in this video, please give me a thumbs up, share my video, don't forget to subscribe. Also follow me on my Instagram account at Styled by Sonica, where I give fashion and style tips to be inspired by. I will see you next week when I will be putting out my next video. Until the next time, bye!